Physics is the most fundamental of the sciences. Our knowledge about the physical world shows the great reach of physics as a science, from the grandest scale of the physical universe to the ways that particles inside atomic nuclei behave. On the largest scale, physicists study cosmology to understand how the universe operates. Astrophysics and general relativity explain how planets, stars, and more exotic phenomena like black holes form and operate. At the medium-sized scale, atmospheric physics explains the interactions between our atmosphere and the oceans, an intricate process driven by the sun and the Earth's rotation. Mechanics, how forces affect objects, operate at this scale in everyday life in the areas of applied physics and mechanical engineering. At a smaller scale, quantum mechanics describes the strange world of atomic and molecular physics. Quantum mechanics has many applications in the microelectronic circuitry that allows computers and cell phones to operate. At the smallest size scale, deep inside the atomic nucleus, physics explains the observed subatomic zoo of particles that pervades the universe. This is the regime of elementary particle and high-energy physics. What happens at the smallest scale affects the very fabric of space-time and the basic structure of the universe, which takes us back to cosmology. From the smallest size imaginable, we again are back at the largest scale. Physics explains how all parts of the universe operate and how they affect each other, from quarks to black holes. Students who major in physics at UNI have their choice of many career paths. Recent graduates have become high school physics teachers, research scientists at federal labs, college professors, and physicists and engineers in many of Iowa's high-technology companies. Physics majors not only learn about core areas, they also have the opportunity to work one-on-one with physics professors to apply their knowledge in projects. Most physics majors complete at least one research project during their undergraduate programs. Special programs in physics include lasers and holography, computational and theoretical physics, nanoscience and nanotechnology, and robotics. The physics department at UNI has invested over $4 million in equipment and lab space for these special areas of study in the last 4 years. Begeman Hall offers the finest teaching and research laboratories for physics undergraduates in Iowa and the Midwest. A 2-year, $5 million renovation completed in 2007 has made Begeman Hall an exciting and enjoyable place to learn about physics.
What I got from the undergraduate work in physics was really a chance to create the building blocks that I needed, the fundamental pieces of understanding of how science works, and you know, not just physics, but also, you know, scientific method and applying that and thinking about problems.
I just returned from D.C., Washington, D.C. A couple days ago. Went up there to present my research at a poster presentation, something a lot of people do in college. And I got to meet with a lot of other really great people that are in college. We had a good blast together, actually. And we shared our posters with all the different Congress people. And basically we were just there to instill that undergraduate research is a really important part of the sciences.
Studying physics at UNI will challenge you intellectually. It will engage you to see the world in new ways. It will give you a professional education that places you in a secure position in the high-tech workforce. But best of all, it will introduce you to many new friends who will help you learn and enjoy your time at UNI.